What is up, Scorum? So today I want to reply to a great post by Mikey on Scorum. It had a title of 10 things Scorum already does better than Steem it. And I think this is a really great post. It goes over things, and I just want to add my own input here of on the points basically. So I've been on Steem it for since January 2018, and I think it can be helpful for me to also provide my input and insights of what I have seen and how I see at Scorum and how I see at Scorum blockchain and in the Steem blockchain in comparison. So this is the post. I think I am going to leave a link to it so you can check it out for yourself. So 10 things, and let's see. So the first point here talks about prevents self-voting comments, and it says that, or Mikey says that he's not a big fan of upvoting for visibility, and that upvoting posts is okay within reason. After we voiced concern about users using all their voting power to upvote their comments, nice posts to steal additional coins from the reward pool, the ability to self-vote comments was removed from the development team. So it seems like that was a big issue, I guess, maybe on the Scorum blockchain, because personally, if I go to the Steem blockchain, I don't really see a lot of people self-upvote comments and trying to steal the reward pool, because most high stake owners, they understand that it's a responsibility, their stake they hold, and it doesn't look good if they use if they massively self-upvote their own comment with a lot of value. What I see on the Steem blockchain, what I see on the Steem blockchain is just from now, and this is 2 years later compared to when Steem started. I'm not sure how Steem looked 2016, but what I see right now is people mainly upvote their comments for visibility, and it's good, I think, that people can put some capital and stake behind their opinion. But of course, this is 2 years later, so maybe Steem blockchain had a big issue with self-upvoting of comments when it was a new service. So if it was abused a lot on Scorum, then I understand why the development team removed it. But I think it would be nice to have that feature to basically be able to put some capital behind your opinions if you want visibility, because visibility is something that people want. They want to be able to invest some capital in something. I mean, that's what we do with posts, but obviously it can be problematic now with the beginning of a platform. If people use spam and use self-upvote, if it's a big abuse, then obviously you need to disable it or try to fix it somehow. The second point is notifications. Yes, I really enjoyed the notification system on Scorum. It is truly amazing. It doesn't exist on steemit.com interface. It does exist on business.org and on DTube. So yeah, but notification system on Scorum, it's really good. The eighth point is being more than a blogging platform. So I have only been here for a few weeks, but I've seen that they've had this fantasy league available sometimes. So right now, but mainly right now, you can only, exactly this moment, you can only blog on Scorum. The betting feature is not here right now, but the fantasy league feature, from what I understood, it was here for a short while. And I also want to see that the Steem blockchain is actually more than a blogging platform, because you do have video services on Steem blockchain. You have a ton of projects that are being worked upon you have even Steem Monsters, a game. So, and this is of course only the beginning. So Steem blockchain is actually more than a blogging platform, and right now Scorum also sort of is just a blogging platform. But in the future, it's going to be more, of course. Both platforms are basically going to be more than what it is right now. Point 7, it's deflationary. So Steem is basically a currency that is going to go up. We're going to get more coins over the next 20 years. while Scorum has, I think, 14 times less supply. So that basically means Scorum coins are more rare. So I think both of these two systems can work great. For example, Bitcoin, deflationary, it's rare coins. Steem, it has inflation, so more coins comes into the system. But both systems can work because, I mean, it depends on the success of a platform, of course, because, for example, we're going up to 10 billion humans on the planet, so having a lot of coins can be really good because you get a nice circulation, and but also deflationary coins can be good because it can increase the rarity. But I mean, both systems can work. I mean, it depends on the project and the development team, how they do things. For example, deflationary coins can also, it can be a risk because, I mean, it's less coins, right? It might be hard to access. People might not want to trade decimal dot decimal or decimal dot 0001 coin. People may not want to do that. It may not look that great. So more coins can actually be good, but less coins can also be good. So, I mean, both systems can work, right? So I enjoy them both, and we're gonna have to see which system works the best, but I don't really think they compete against each other. And also the benefit, for example, comparison Steem blockchain has is that they have these smart media tokens, so they can really do a global takeover because they used to have more coins with the smart media tokens and the inflation on the Steem coins, so they can reach billions of humans. It might be very hard to do that with just a deflationary coin like Scorum because it's just less coins to go around, but we have to see. I mean, me personally, I like both. Revenue sources. Scorum, unlike Steemit, this is point number 6. Scorum, unlike Steemit, will generate revenue in several ways, including pay-per-click. 50% of revenues will be given users in the form of Scorum tokens. Scorum is developing a partner program and photo database. The partner program will feature a marketplace where users can purchase items from partners. This marketplace thing is also something that is going to be available for Steem. I can already, in Estonia, I can go to a Samsung store and with Cop Pay feature, I can pay smartphones with Steem. They convert that to euro, but it works. So that is something that's going to be available for all cryptocurrencies, basically, this marketplace feature. I mean, once you have one cryptocurrency, you're going to have the whole system. I didn't know about this partner program and photo database. I did not know about that. And pay-per-click, I'm not sure how that's going to work, but may work, may be a cool feature. Let's see, post reward structure, that's number 0.5. Scorum post structure rewards engagement on posts and is clearly paying off. When you compare the comment section on popular Scorum posts to popular posts on Steemit, you can see the difference. Well, the first thing here to know is that the way Steem blockchain works right now is that Steem currency is mainly for electricity, and to be able to run the blockchain, you need, and people delegating power to other via Steem power, so they can do stuff on the blockchain. The reason why we don't see that much engagement is because the smart media tokens, that's what's going to be for content creators on the Steem blockchain, and that's going to be available as a test in January 2019, and the full release is going to come out in March the 24th, I think, which is going to allow anyone to do their own smart media token. So that is why we don't see that much engagement right now on the Steem blockchain, because they are working on internal stuff. The geeks and developers like Hard Fork 20, which is going to come out in a month, and then they're going to work on the smart media tokens. So they're mainly not focusing that much on the engagement right now because they're focusing on bigger things in the background. Same as Scorum is probably focusing on bigger things also in the background, like the betting service, the fantasy league service, and the advertising and things like that. So it's that they're basically working on the reward system also. So it's not perfect, and the content creator system on the Steem blockchain is not available right now. Responsive team, that's point number 4. I should say that, well, the Scorum blockchain thing, it is new, so it's kind of like Steem in 2016, and Ned and Dan was very active. People are very active when something is new and fresh. The development team on Steem blockchain, they were very active in 2016, and they're still active. They release, I think, even weekly blog posts about updates, about how things are going. So responsive team, yes, on Scorum, but it's also a new project, and we have to see how it's going to be in 2 years. Because new projects, they always have very responsive teams. Point number 3, constant improvements. But this is also something that the Steem blockchain has. They always comes out with new updates, new upgrades, but they're working on right now bigger things in the background, like the smart media tokens and the hard fork 20, and they have both giving out dates for both. So both the Steem blockchain and Scorum are bringing out constant improvements. Point number 2, community-led checks and balances. Banning self-voting was a small but important change made by the Scorum team. Grow and curb abuse is a community-led effort to stop plagiarism, users gaming the system, milking the reward pool. On Steem, all 3 of these run rampant with few whales doing much to stop it. That's not actually true. You have massive delegations to stop plagiarism on the Steem blockchain. You have Steem cleaners. You have a bunch of other ones that basically goes and downvote spam. So this is not something that is exclusive to Scorum. And if you go to the Steem blockchain, you look at the trending, you can see that most projects are serious. So, and anytime I've seen anything super spammy come up on the Steem blockchain, it has been downvoted. So this is something that both platforms are doing a lot to improve stuff. Point number 1, ease of publishing, formatting, and publisher tools. I gotta say, I really enjoy the Scorum publishing tool. I think it's a little bit sharper than what I have seen on the Steem blockchain. I like the formatting. I think it is a little bit sharper, to be honest. And of course, the UI, a user interface on Scorum, I think that is also a bit sharper. But yeah, so I don't think really it is 10 things the Scorum already does better than Steem it. It has some cool things. The main thing here was notifications and a little bit nicer UI. We don't know about the deflationary, if that's gonna work. Post-reward structure, that's because Steem team is working in the background, responsive teams. That was only because it's a new project. We don't know how it's gonna be in the future. And yeah, so I would say maybe it's like 1 or 2 things right now that Scorum is really, really sharp at, but we should also remember that competition is coming. Competition is coming a lot of competition is coming to this space, but I still think we have space for 100 Facebooks and different places for people to engage, so that is nice. But yeah, my quick little video here talking a little bit. Great post, Mikey, I enjoyed it, and yeah, have an awesome day, Scorum blockchain. Bye bye.